Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you again new prompts on Google Bard AI. In this particular example we're going to focus on Google Bard helping us to create articles or content for websites that where we can actually publish and potentially monetize the content. If you've seen my previous videos, we went through using Google Bard for dropshipping, using Google Bard for creating a perfect resume to apply for a job, using Google Bard for growing on social media, in our particular case to grow our TikTok account to 10,000 followers. Now we are going to get Google Bard to write some articles for us, or at least give us some tips and tricks. Let's go. I want to start a page like a blog where I want to post a number of articles about, let's say, hiking. Can you help me writing? Can you help me with the writing of the articles? Let's see. Let's put Google Bard AI on test. That looks like a complicated task. Okay, I will be happy to help you with the writing of the content for your hiking blog. However, to give you the best assistance, I need some information from you. What types of articles do you envision posting? Okay. Who is your target audience? Okay. What are your strengths and weaknesses? Do you have an existing draft of ideas? Okay, I have some ideas. I am focusing on people from New York who want to explore hiking spots nearby. Boom. That seems to be very successful. Boom, you see that? Sure, here are some hiking spots around New York. Forest Park hiking trails located in Queens. New York Forest Park is a great option for a quick escape from the city. The ravine, the 19-acre woodland in Central Park, is a hidden gem. Okay, Pat Doan Trail. This trail is located in Flushing Meadows Park. The Marine Park, Salt Marsh Natural. Well, guys, obviously we can use a lot with Google Bard. Unbelievable how nice and smooth it works. And you see, when it integrates with the Google Maps, you can actually see each of these locations. And let me try to blow your mind even more, asking, can you add photos from these places? Let's see, can they generate some images, or at least grab some images from Google search? This will be a rough task. Let's see. Sure, here are some images from the locations. View, okay, slow down. Okay, but no, I need an actual image of the spots, not Google Map. Let's see. Put into test. If it passes this one, I mean it's a winner. Chat GPT cannot do that. Cannot produce any visuals. You know that very well. Okay. Surprise, guys. What else we can ask for? Look at this. Apologize, you're right. Wouldn't be a youth blog for. Here are some actual images of the hiking spots near New York that I mentioned earlier. Forest Park hiking trails looks good. Okay, the ravine. Okay, I've been there. Okay, Pat Doan Trail. That looks cool. Salt Marsh Natural Trail. Amazing. Additionally, depending on the specific aspects of the spot you want to highlight, your considers exploring, blah blah. That's okay, guys. I'm very impressed by what Google Bard AI can actually offer. It's amazing that, you know, with the right prompts you can extract so much info with visuals and, you know, with suggestions. I like it very much. In comparison with Chat GPT, this is much better, guys. But this is how you can actually utilize Bard AI to help you in content writing and publishing articles wherever you like to. Make sure you watch my other videos, other prompts that we explore, subscribe, and of course come back for more.